Hello, Angie. Okay, so I doubt that anyone else will join. I talked initially to Alston and Hedia, which are the mentees of these mentorships, to join, but it seems that they might be late. They have something else. Angie, I prepared here a new issue for you. I will send it in chat. 1 second.
I'm sorry.
I said that I prepared the issue for you. If you
Okay.
are interested in. It's
Do you?
just a simple check.
Oh, okay. I just found it. Let me see.
I mean, you have to run it locally with the GPMS enabled. It's an option in Java. And to see if you'll reproduce the issue or not. I mean, the issue has some description in there.
Yeah, I can take this on. That's fine.
Okay, great. And also you can also take you can take this in evidence too, like if you finish faster with the one that I've sent, you can also check this one. I mean, it's just investigations, not really. I mean, hopefully we'll need to write some code, but anyway, it's good as a good first issue. Let me.
Are both of them good first issues, or is it just the second?
Both.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I can take those on.
Please, could you try to assign them to yourself?
Yes.
I'm not able to find you in order to assign them to you.
Yeah, give me 1 second. I did this on my phone. Here we go. Okay, I see them. Let me. I don't think it will let me do it.
Okay.
Let me try. I can make a comment on it.
Okay, that will be great. And maybe
Yeah.
after I will be able to assign it.
Okay, I just commented on it. Yeah, usually I see an assign button or like something to claim it, but I don't see anything from what I'm looking at.
Okay. Now I'm able to assign it to you. Okay, that's great.
Okay, I just saw that. And then let me do the same thing for the other one. I wonder why my name doesn't come up in there. Usually AC and then it'll auto-populate, but I guess that's just for me.
Yeah, but like also this GitHub interface is not working most of the time as expected, so maybe that's why.
Oh, well, that's lovely.
Yeah.
At least it's consistent. Okay, and then I left a comment on the other one as well.
Okay, then I will assign this to you too. Okay, great. So nothing much from my side for you.
Okay, I didn't have anything. Nishal, is he doing okay? I haven't heard from him, so I was just genuinely curious.
Yeah, I mean, initially it's still a maintainer, but he is really parallel with one of Web3 Labs projects, which is related to an enhancement of the ENS for Ethereum. So that's why I think he will come back in December.
Okay, it'd be nice to have him back.
Yep, for sure, and also need some bit more help.
Yeah. If there's anything I can do in the meantime while he's away, just let me know. I'm happy to help.
Okay, sure. I mean, just go on with these two, and we'll see then. Okay, great.
Yeah. Oh,
Thank
but
you.
yeah, not a problem. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.